No, James, please. No, James. No, James, you listen. I don't care how much it costs to do the job. All I want is a job well done. Now, by the way, what about the containers? Have they arrived at the Lagos port yet? Goodness gracious. James, what are you talking about? Those 3 containers are worth over 200 million naira. And you're telling me you can't track them? Look, if those things are not found, I am finished. Do you understand me, James? I am finished. Please do. Oh my goodness. 3 containers? 200 million naira? This must be a joke. Oh God. Well, not now. Oh God! Ah! Jesus! Oh. Madam, are you okay? Madam! Somewhere! Madam! Somewhere, please go and get a taxi. Somewhere, go and get a taxi! Okay, sir. Okay.
What did your guy say?
He said he's on his way. He should be here.
Oh, sorry. How are you feeling now?
Much better.
Don't worry, sorry. Yes, ma'am.
She's fine, okay? Nothing to worry about. It's just a minor crisis. She'll be fine soon.
Thank God, do. So me will go.
Have you informed the husband yet?
Yes, sir. It should be here.
Very good.
Sir, can I see her?
Not now. When the nurses are done with her, you can see her, okay?
Samuel, you can go home while I wait for that call.
No, I want to see Madam.
Don't worry, I'll take care of everything before my mother comes back.
Okay. Oh.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Please, I was informed that my wife was brought here earlier today. Her name is... Oh, Mercy, you're here.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
She just slumped.
Oh, it's okay. I'll handle it. Which way to her ward, please?
Okay, sir. Room 011. Go straight. Room by your left.
011 to my right.
Yes, by your left.
Okay, Mercy. You don't have to be here. It's okay. I'll handle things. Why don't you just go home? That way you probably prepare something for her to eat when she gets home. All right? Thank you.
Frank.
It's me. You had another crisis, eh? Sorry. You'll be fine. Sorry. What happened? I mean, you were fine before I left home. What happened? You had a drink? Alcohol? What? Darling, what is wrong with you? Are you trying to kill yourself? Why would you do that?
Frank. I need you to do me a favor. I promise me you will do it for me. Please.
Okay, fine. I will do it. Just speak. I'm listening to you.
Frank, I need you to find my daughter for me.
What?
My daughter.
You have a daughter?
Yeah.
Darling. Boy. Why are you telling me this now? You have a daughter and you never mentioned it?
Frank, I'm sorry. It's part of my secret. The story of my past is locked in that secret. Please, Frank. She's the only one I have in this world.
Are you talking like you're going to die tomorrow? Did the doctor say something to you? What did he say to you? Huh? Oh, I hope he did not. Let me see the doctor. I'll be back. Doctor? What did you say to my wife?
What do you mean?
What did you say to my wife to make her cry like a child? Talking like someone who's about to die tomorrow.
Please, sit.
Don't ask me to sit down.
I think your wife understands what she's suffering from than you do. She has been to the United States of America for her cancer treatment, and people over there understand this thing more than we do. See, I don't want to go into details because she will not like her discussing as it relates to her sickness. I think you should understand better.
I know that my wife is suffering from lungs and bronchial cancer, and if there's any PDD at all, doctor, I request that as the husband that I'm duly informed first. That's my point. Alright? Look, I'll have you know that I'm a man who's in love with his wife, and I'm not in the position right now to lose that woman. Do you understand me?
Sorry, Mr. Frank. There was nothing of sort, and there's any. It will not make her cry like a child. Your wife has received better treatment and counsel from abroad because of her condition. If there's not anything making her cry like a child, certainly not related to her illness. I think it's something you can handle, and that is why I demanded for your presence. And one more thing, Mr. Frank. Your wife is suffering from partial stroke, and she will not be able to do some things she normally does for herself. And that's why she needs all the attention from you and love. And you will take it as a point of duty to make sure she stays away from certain food and things she normally do and eat. Because her blood pressure rises up, it will lead to this kind of crisis. And that is not good for her condition now.
I understand how you feel. Please, I know it's not easy, babe. And this kind of marriage, I need you to understand. She's my daughter, and both of you are the only people I have in this world. Besides, her name was mentioned in my will before the marriage. Please, Frank, I need you to find her. Make her your daughter. She needs you as much as you need her. Please, Frank. That we will be one family.
It's okay. It's okay, stop talking, I will find her.
Oh, thank you.
But I don't have any kind of information. What do I work with? How do I find her?
I left her with a couple. The couple. They live at 68B Sawyer Street, Ajegule. The man's name is Donald. The wife's name. It's Tina. Yes, I remember. Donald and Tina. Please. Find her.
It's alright. It's okay, don't work yourself up. I will find her for you, okay? I'll work with the little information you've given to me. Okay?
Samuel! Oga! Come here. Where's Mercy? Mercy! Who among you two rushed my wife to the hospital in a public taxi without notifying me?
Oga, we. What the force?
Excuse me? Do I look like I'm joking to you? Huh? I asked you a straight question, young man. I want answers right now. Who among you two put my wife in a public cab without thinking to call me first?
Oga.
Will you speak up?
Oga, I did that just to save Madam's life, sir.
Shut up! Save her life? What do you know about saving lives? Are you Jesus Christ? The both of you better thank your stars and nothing happened to my wife. If else I would have killed the both of you with my bare hands. You shut up! Get out. Will you leave this place? You, it has come to my notice very clearly that you're insensitive to your environment and have absolutely no idea what goes on here. Alright, so go back to your little room, pack your things, and get out of my house. You are fired.
But Oga...
If I come back here, this is standing there. Easy, darling. Easy. 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 Sorry. It's okay, dear. You'll be fine. Sorry. Easy. Easy.
I'm fine, thank you. Honey, where's Mercy? I mean, I haven't seen her. Did you send her somewhere?
Oh, that one. I fired her. I couldn't stand her mistakes and excesses, so I let her go.
Excesses? I don't understand. Look, Mercy has lived with us long enough. She's part of this family and she understands the workings around here.
Great. Yes, she doesn't take her job seriously. So don't worry yourself, all right? I already placed an advert through an agent, Madam B, for that position. So in a few days, we'll have somebody new here.
So how soon will the person be here?
Pretty soon.
Or would you rather do her job? Like the cooking and all that?
You say cooking? You know, when you talk like that, now you forget that I'm a chef. I've been taking extra classes in cooking, so I just might shock you.
Oh, really? Okay, so what would you give her to?
Speaking of that one, you know, I've been thinking that, how about I make you exes? Boiled yam, really soft, like you like it.
It's like you read my mind.
I don't read your mind, baby. I know your mind. Because you and I, you're always here, so I know your thoughts. I know what you want at all times.
You and your lovely speeches.
And let's not forget, I will be going to Ajebule tomorrow to look for her.
Oh.
And I will. And I don't intend coming back here early, unless of course I find her. Or, you know, get some kind of information that can lead me to her. Okay? But not to worry, come on, it's okay. I already spoke to the gate man. Samuel, to be at your beck and call just in case you want something. All right, darling.
Okay. What about the food?
Sure, why not? Let me just change into something lighter, hit the kitchen, then I'll be back. Don't sleep off on me now.
I won't.
See you soon.
Good day. Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of this house.
Who are you?
I am the help from Madame B's restaurant.
Oh, now you? This way. Madam, how's it from Madame B? Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry. Are you okay? Yes, ma. I hope you will like us and like our home too. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Are you okay? Water. So, where can I get water? I'm so sorry, ma. It's okay. Water, please. So sorry. Thank you. Okay. I hope you're okay now, ma.
I'm fine.
Are there clothes for me to wash? I could clean the kitchen. I could clean this place.
Not yet. Okay. Samuel, please take her to her room to rest, eh? You can come back later.
Thank you very much, ma. Please take care of it. I'll come down. I'll come very soon.
So you're the girl from Mama B, right?
Yes, sir.
Relax. Have you worked in a setting like this before?
No, sir.
Alright, so I'd advise that you pay close attention to your chores and duties in this house.
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Yes, sir.
And for starters, I would need you to, there's a room immediately after mine. I need you to clean that room tomorrow. Put air fresheners, just make it very conducive because we just might be having an important guest. Do that first thing tomorrow morning. Alright? You do that, report to me for further instructions.
Yes, sir.
Stand up! Come here.
What is this?
So you don't think it is time you begin to take your job seriously? Next time it takes you almost forever to open that gate, you will be fired. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Bad attitude to work.
Get her things out of the car. Welcome home.
Frank.
everything okay?
So this is it. You tricked me and brought me to this place. You want me to go in there to meet a woman that abandoned me for 21 good years?
Just calm down.
You think it's easy?
Look, I know how hard this is. Okay? But you're already here. You know what they say? No place like home. Right? So please. Trust me. Trust me, please. Would you take that bag and go inside?
Chai! Come on down. I come. She's here, she's here. She's here.
Who is here?
Your daughter.
Eh?
Yeah, she's here. I just brought her back now. But it be like say she no one come inside.
Ah, why now?
Listen to me, Grace. I beg you to please calm down, right? I know this is a moment you have waited for all your life. And trust me, it is going to prolong her days here on earth. If only she can just set her eyes on you, I beg you. All right? Please. You have to trust me. Please. Thank you. You'll be fine. What is this one?
I will tell you later. Please help me get down. Let me help me go up to receive it.
Mommy, please, just rest. Let her come and meet you instead.
Please.
I found your daughter.
Oh my God.
Your mother.
Grace. Grace.
Ow! Easy. Sit down. Just...
Oh!
Are you alright?
It's a long story. If I tell you what happened, you would even blame me. You would understand that it could happen to anybody. It's true. I abandoned you. It wasn't intentional. I had nobody. Absolutely nobody. I was just an orphan. I only had an uncle who kept me because I was working for them. Him and his wife. They molested me. They did all kinds of things to me. God, I had no option than to hit the streets. You know, in the streets, I had freedom. I was my own master. I could do anything I wanted, and there was no one to stop me, no one to disturb me. And that was what I wanted. Or what I felt I wanted. I started smoking, drinking. I even did hard drugs. Before I knew it, I was pregnant. friend. I thought he loved me. He abandoned me. All my friends deserted me. I was alone. I had no money. I had no money to eat. I had no money to take care of myself, and yet I was a baby. Didn't know what to do. I just did not know what to do. And then there was this thing in me that said to me, kill this child. Don't let her go through what you're going through. So I decided to kill you. I got my shiny silver knife. And that fateful day, when I lifted up my knife to stab you, oh my God, I looked into those eyes, and they looked back at me with so much innocence, and I just could not do it! But there was something inside me, something very strong that said, do it! But that voice was there. It kept saying, do it, do it, do it! So I turned you face down and I lifted my knife once again. When I was about to stab you, you screamed! Oh my God, that sound! I can still hear it! And I couldn't do it. I just could not. And I remembered the 9 months that I carried you. Oh my God. The pain. The starvation. The anger. The disappointment. Everything. Oh God. I couldn't do it. I just could not do it. And I started thinking, what should I do? What do I do? And I remembered the couple that lived down the street. They had no child of their own. So I wrapped you up nicely. I bundled you up. And then I wrote your name. Grace. And I wrote the story of my life. I put it inside that tiny bundle. And then I carried you. I looked into your face one more time. And then I laid you there by the doorstep. I just laid you there and I walked away and that's what happened. That's what happened. Oh my God.
So you actually gave me that name?
I named you after myself. Grace. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
know how you feel. Don't take that joy away from her. Thank you, please. Please. I know this is hard. But I need you to remember that that's the only mother you have. Go to her. Tell her you love her, because I know deep down you really do. Hold her so close until her embrace. So that she would live longer for you. She's your mother. Please.
Here's your room. Where would you like me to put the box? Inside?
No, don't worry, just leave it there.
Oh, okay. Welcome.
You seem to be a very nice person. Thanks for helping me.
Oh, it's nothing. Thank you. You're a nice person too.
What's your name?
Ada.
Oh. Ada.
Yes.
You don't seem like a house help to me. I'm sure you've been here is circumstantial. Come. Tell me all about it.
No, there was nothing circumstantial about it. I used to work in a restaurant where your father met me and he asked me to come and work here as a help.
You mean Frank hired you?
Yes.
Alright. Why is this taking so much time?
I'm very sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
There is something about you that I am yet to understand. Trust with time. Unravel it. Listen to me in the meantime and advise that you mind your business, stay focused on your work in this house and do not poke your nose in the people's private affairs. Do I make myself clear? Else I will fire you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get out.
You're here, sir. Nice to have you here. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. Oh my goodness. The barrister himself. You're welcome. Madam, thank you for coming. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Good to have you here. Well, let me officially welcome you, ladies and gentlemen. Boy, you all look good, I must say. Okay. On behalf of my wife and daughter, who would be here in a few minutes. So please, ladies and gentlemen, just to make yourselves very comfortable, as in a few minutes we'll have something to drink and a little something to nibble on. All right? The next time you see me shall be with my beautiful wife.
lovely people. You're all welcome. I thank you all for making it to this wonderful location. An occasion that has been made possible by Almighty God and my husband here, who has been so supportive. They all made it possible for me. I thank God for this wonderful opportunity to correct a wrong I made 21 years ago when I gave up my daughter, Grace Nneka, to total strangers to bring her up. Unfortunately, they died in a car crash. May their souls and the souls of all the faithful departed, through the mercy of God, rest in peace. Amen. Enough of the sad stories. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the saying that to err is human and to forgive is divine. I want to thank my daughter, Grace Nneka, for finding it in her heart to forgive me. And today, I am proud to introduce to you all my wonderful daughter, beautiful, elegant, sophisticated, intelligent daughter, Grace Nneka. To you all.
Congratulations, Grace Nneka. You're welcome home. Congratulations.
Oh, well, to that end, I'll ask. That way, make a toast. All right? To long life, good health, prosperity, and to one indivisible family. It's a family. Cheers. 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 Cheers, barrister. Cheers. Sorry. I'll just.
Barrister, every time you come here, you refuse to take something.
I'm always good. I'm good. You know, if you've noticed me very closely, I'm not always. Whoa, you're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh, you're such a lucky girl to have a mother like this. Please just forget everything that has happened in time past, right? I believe God Almighty has a reason why things happened the way it did. Thank God. This is a great reunion, and we thank God for it.
Grace, Barrister is here because I'm trying to start proceeding and changing my board of directors with the corporate affairs in Abuja. And I'm also trying to change ownership of my assets. Okay, so I am hoping that once all that is done, you and Frank would go meet him and then sign all the necessary papers.
Mom,
Yes.
so soon?
So sweet.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
There's no point waiting, baby. There's no point waiting. Now, barrister, I ask you once again. Are you sure you don't want something to drink or eat?
I don't know why you keep insisting. I'm just good. I'm fine.
Okay. Well, what are there any documents you need, like papers or any materials you would need from me to start off this procedure?
No, for sure.
All right.
When we're about to commence the processing, I'll let you know
Okay.
all the necessary documents we need.
All right.
Yeah, Grace. Tell me about your past life. I would love to hear something about your foster parents.
Grace? Yes, honey.
What happened? What did you say to her? She's crying so bitterly.
Oh, God.
What did you say to her?
I didn't say anything to her. Barrister was just asking her about her foster parents. I guess she still misses them.
You know what, Barrister, I would, really appreciate it if we let her settle in. Let her adapt to her new home for now, before we begin to have that kind of talk with her. You need to see her. She's devastated. She's weeping bitterly.
Well, can I at least have a word with her, speak to her?
No, that won't be necessary at all. She'll be fine. She'll be fine. She begs to be left alone. She'll be fine.
Oh, what's the meaning of all this now? Come my body. Ada! Ada!
Yes, ma'am.
Come, take her away and clean her up.
What happened? Mommy,
I said take her away and clean her up. You're asking her what happened. Are you deaf?
Mama B.
Oga Frank, this one where you dey run like this, wetin happen?
Now make something no happen. I carry me come. How you dey?
Wetin be the thing?
Beg that girl where you carry come give us for house. Where they work for us. Wetin be her name again?
Grace.
Grace. No vex, I beg.
I no vex.
You get some personal information about that girl. Where she go school, where she grow up, her papa, her mama. I just want to know.
Oga Frank, now what for you? How you think say me I go collect person wey me I don't know where him come from? Oh, you see that Grace na born through away for Surulere. The man and woman wey carry am, no be them born am o, but she dey call them papa and mama.
Daddy, welcome. I'm so sorry. I was in the bathroom. I was having my bath.
Come back here. Go to the car, bring those bags to my room.
Daddy, please, can I just
No,
quickly?
just now.
Take them to my room.
I said take them to my room.
Daddy, please, don't do this. Daddy, please, don't do it. Daddy, please.
Grace?
Grace! Baby girl. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Welcome.
Honey.
How was work today?
As usual, stress and all that.
I know.
Seriously, I'm very famished. Baby girl, take my bag to the room.
Grace?
Grace?
Honey, why don't you freshen up while the food gets ready, okay? Grace, go and set the table. Huh?
What happened?
Oh, but she's okay. Come on, freshen up. Grace, set the table.
Food is ready. I've set the table.
Baby, are you not going to dine with us?
Lost my appetite. Just for you and Donald.
Donald?
Oh, come on, darling. She will eat at her time. After all, she's the one that prepared the meal. Do you know if she's suffering from the effect of tasting the food?
This is not funny. Seriously? Did you notice anything about Grace?
Notice something like what?
She didn't call me mom the way she used to. And I had her call you by your name. What is going on, Donald?
Oh, does that mean anything? See, stop bothering your head with unnecessary issues and leave Grace alone to live her life. She seems not to be in a good mood. I know she will come out of it and be herself. Stop bothering your head. The food is getting cold. Let's go and eat.
I pray so. I really pray so. What is wrong with you? You're even crying. You look so worried and dejected. You alright?
Okay.
Tell me, why did you refuse to eat the food you cooked and served yourself?
I lost appetite.
You didn't even call me mommy the way you used to. Secondly, I heard you call your father by his first name. Sweetheart, what is going on? What is wrong with you? You know mommy likes the truth. Will you tell her the truth? Will you?
Mommy, I know you like the truth. So please, can you tell me the truth?
The truth? Yeah. Go on.
Donald said, Dad said, he said I should ask you what the meaning of breaking the rock is.
What? You mean your father actually said that? Mom. Don't worry. Let me go and check up something. I will be right back, okay? Just relax.
God, what is happening to me? Grace, you should have used this opportunity to let the cat out of the bag. Yes! God, I can't continue to keep this secret and die in silence. Come on, Grace, say it and be free. Maybe she will believe you, or maybe she will not. But at least you'll be free at last.
Donald, I'm so disappointed at you.
I felt so betrayed. Is this your own style of blackmail or what? Now, what did you say to Grace? What did you say to her?
Honey, what kind of question is this?
You shameless man! You sent Grace to come and ask me what breaking the rock means?
Oh, just that?
What did you just say? Just that? Oh my God! So, Donald, you went behind me and broke the secret you swore on your honor to keep forever? How do you want Grace to see me? How do you want Grace to see me? Oh my God. Donald, breaking the rock is your company's secret code. You taught me the use of that word. Now you sent a girl we've nurtured for the past 24 years to come and ask me the meaning of that? Oh my God. Donald, I know what you're indirectly asking me to do. I know it.
Listen, I don't see anything in the truth. After all, the Bible said in John chapter 8, verse 32, that you shall know the truth, and the truth will set you free.
Shut that your stupid thinking mouth, Donald. If I shut it for you, Donald, what truth are you talking about, Donald? Besides, when do you start reading the scriptures? This is a cheap blackmail. You just want to ridicule me because of my situation. But I promise you one thing, Donald. My God will judge you. He will.
Come on, Faith. I have waited for 21 whole years, yet nothing happened. I did not marry another wife. Look at me. Just look at me. I'm not getting any younger. Haven't I waited enough? Huh? Haven't I waited enough? 21 whole years is not 21 days. Not even 21 months. Tina, now, let me ask, how many men do you think would do that for their wives? Now answer me! How many men?
Mr. Donald, so you are not truly my father?
No,
is that why you took advantage of me? Is that why you defiled the girl you call your own daughter and took her virginity? Is that why?
What? Right?
Hey, don't just take it easy.
Jesus!
Hold it.
Donald!
Listen, this is our truth.
Donald, you are cursed!
My God will punish you. My God will frustrate you. The pain you made me feel, my God will punish you. My God will punish you. My God will punish you. My God will punish your entire generation. My God will punish you. Who are my parents?
Please.
Who is my mother? Who is my father and where do they live?
Grace, just take it easy.
Grace. 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 What are you doing here?
I'm just enjoying the fresh air.
Come on, let's go inside, okay?
Jane, I'm fine.
No, you're not. I know something is wrong for you to have left Surulere by that time to Lekki without your parents' consent.
What if you wake up one day and suddenly realize that the people you call dad and mom are not truly your parents.
Why did you say that? That's unimaginable. Why would you even think about such?
Jane, it's not an imagination. It's what's happening to your friend.
Jesus. Wait. Are you trying to tell me that you're supposed parents and not actually your biological parents? Jeez.
Please, if they call you, can you help me tell them that I'm not here, please?
I'm sorry, Jane. They already know.
What?
What am I supposed to do? Mom got suspicious and curious yesterday and called them to know why you left the house without their consent.
I really have to leave here now. It's not safe for me
You
anymore.
don't have to worry. Trust me, they're not coming for you now because I overheard her telling them that they should allow you to stay with us for a while.
See, trust. Trust is not a word that I believe in so much anymore. I trusted my parents and see where it landed me.
Please. Jane, see, listen. They're not coming for you. Trust me.
Excuse me, ma.
Now waiting. Abi your change no complete.
My change is complete. It's just I wanted to find out if you can employ me here. Let me help you. I noticed that you don't have any help or assistance. So I don't know if you can employ me.
You. Make me I employ you.
Yes, sir.
I need somebody too, but no be person like you. How I go employ you? I not go fit pay you now.
Madam, it's not about the money. I just need something to distract me for the time being, while I sort myself out. I could even help you to develop your business. I will bring better ideas on how to run this restaurant. I just need something to do for the time being.
So, idea to improve my business.
Yes.
Make we go now. Come. Hello. Oga Frank. Now you. I go send the girl tomorrow morning. Now very good girl, oh. You and your wife una go enjoy her well. The girl, she's nothing wey that girl no sabi. She dey surprise me. Now because na you, oh, I no fit give her out like this to anybody. Abeg make you take care of the girl for me, oh. Take care, oh. Okay, first thing tomorrow morning, una go see am. Okay, bye, Oga Frank. That man that I was telling you about, he's the one that just called.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Frank.
Oh, okay.
See, they nice, husband and wife, and they get money well. If you help them well, then go help you.
Thank you very much.
So you will leave tomorrow early morning.
No problem, ma.
I
Thank
go
you.
miss you. Oga Frank, what happened?
That's my name, sir. Grace.
You are aware that's your madam's name and our daughter's name. So you see, who are you? Who are you? Henceforth, your name in this house be Adam. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What's happened?
What you're telling me right now is true? Then I'm
Oga
finished.
Frank, now correct. Oga Frank! Oga Frank!
You're here?
Frank, what's the problem?
She is the problem. Ada is the problem.
Who is that?
Oh, so you didn't even bother to tell her your real name, huh?
Are you Ada?
Yes, but he...
What do you have to say? Will you shut up? What? No, tell me, what do you have to say for yourself? Huh?
You know what, darling? I am really, really sorry. This is all my fault. Alright? I should have asked questions. I should have made proper investigations before hiring this thief. So my fault. I'm really sorry. But you know, at some point, my body began to twitch. I became really, really uncomfortable. And thank God, I obeyed my God-given instinct and I started asking questions. You know, background check, getting to know who this criminal is. And as I speak with you right now, I am shocked to my bone marrows, the kind of revelations that I'll have to deal with. This girl is a spy. For some armed robbery gang in this vicinity, she is nothing but a bloody thief and an imposter. That's what she is.
Mommy, please, it's not
Will you shut that filthy mouth of yours and stop calling her mom?
Sweetheart, I'm sorry, I have to take this idiot out of this place. Get up. Get up!
No, it's okay. Hold on. I think it's better I call my barrister friend. Let him be the one to take her away. I mean, this is a serious matter.
No. Sweetheart, look, it's not necessary, alright?
He needs to come here and arrest her. This is a serious...
Look,
No,
necessary.
Frank.
Look, darling, you have me here. I can handle this girl. Okay, you don't have to pull that man off his busy schedule. For what? What for?
Frank, you don't understand. These people understand such situations better than we do. Let me call him, please. Hold on. He's already on the line. Hello? Yeah, barrister, I need you to come over to my house immediately. Please come along with 2 policemen. There's a criminal you need to arrest. Yes, it's a matter of urgency, please. I can't believe I've been harboring a criminal. An imposter living in my house?
Mommy, I don't know what he's talking about. I did not do it, please. I don't know what he's talking about, Mommy.
You shut up!
Can I just kick this thing out of this house?
Baby, just wait.
No, let her go.
No, don't worry. The barrister will do it. She will be dealt with. She must be dealt with. Leave me alone.
Darling.
Oh, thank God, barrister. Thank God you're here on time. Barrister, I need you to arrest that criminal over there.
Me? No. Ha.
No, barrister, this is the thief. This is the imposter. This is the spy.
No, she is the thief, the imposter, and the spy. Arrest her.
Well,
Darling, what are you talking about?
Well, I am not in any way surprised at all what is happening here today, Frank. I've always asked my friend and my clients here, what interest a handsome young man will have in her, if not her money.
I'm going to have you speak to me that way, barrister.
But thank God we just learned that that's today. You know what? Frank, you are just a lazy criminal. So lazy that you couldn't even consider the modern day advanced technology as one of your loopholes in those cheap criminal plans. Just a dial of a number in my smartphone. It searches the internet and gave me Nancy Lohos Davis whole data.
Frank.
Yeah.
Did you really say your wife is sick? Did you actually say your wife is sick?
Yeah, she is sick. As a matter of fact, she was even rushed to the hospital.
You're actually telling me that you're marrying her? I thought you guys were just doing the sugar mommy thingy, you know?
How you did see me, sir? Honestly, look, I'm no longer a child. If you want to do something, just do it. Alright? I met her, I liked her, and then we got married 3 years ago. Went to court, and then, as we speak, she's my legally married wife.
Bad boy. I know you. I know you wouldn't venture into anything that is not profitable. I heard that woman is a very rich woman. Maybe that's why you even married her. I know you. Bad boy.
Bob, I'll punch you. I'm not joking. Look, this is my private affair.
My fault. My bad. Hello, married man. No more.
Who be that girl?
Okay, she's a waitress.
No, I don't. Is she?
She's new.
She's gotta be new because I suppose not.
A lot of people have their eyes on that girl. If you really need her, just write your number on a piece of paper. When you go pay for the drinks, you chip it in. If she's interested, she'll probably give you a call.
Ha! Minister for Women Affairs.
But make sure you tip her. It comes in handy.
Oh, okay. Sure. Hello, hi. 1 second, please. How much is my bill?
1 minute, sir.
How much is my bill?
2,500, sir.
Sorry, how much again?
2,500.
2,500. There you go, darling. You look like $1 million bill.
No, sir, I said 2,500.
I know it's okay. You can keep the change. Dollar bill.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. My name is Frank. What's your name?
Nancy.
You are stunning.
Thanks.
So what's beautiful Nancy doing about?
Well, 7 people and trying to meet my needs. It's better than prostituting, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's just that I think you don't, fit in here. Maybe you should think of getting yourself a better offer. I'm just saying.
Like being an actress. You see, Nancy's a theatre arts graduate and an aspiring actress who came to Lagos to pursue her acting career. But I don't have the link yet, so I'm doing this in the meantime.
An actress? I see, that makes it a lot easier. Quite interesting, I must say. Okay. Great.
So you said you had an offer for me. What is it about?
Here. Now that's 100,000 naira. I believe that should be able to take care of your salary for 2 months. Maybe at La Vista Hotel tomorrow afternoon, 12 noon. Please be prompt. Room 007. So we can talk.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I could take you home if you want.
Oh, not to worry, I'll be fine. Sure.
My wife is a multimillionaire. Has assets worth more than 500 million naira. That's if I am not in any way mistaken. But she has cancer. And her health has deteriorated and everybody is waiting for her to die. Myself inclusive. So that when that happens, I will inherit all her properties, given the fact that as things stand, that I'm the only beneficiary. Take everything she's ever worked for, since I'm obviously the only beneficiary. Until one day she woke up and looked me in the face and told me that she has a daughter somewhere, that she left with some strangers 22 years ago, and that she would like me to find her. That's where you're coming, darling.
But what exactly do you want me to do?
You are the daughter. I have found you. Henceforth, you are Grace Necker. You live at 68B Soya Street, Ajingola, and this family that she abandoned you with 22 years ago. Mr. and Mrs. Francis. Once again, you cease to be Nancy. Now, as an actress, I need not remind you how to react when you see a woman who abandoned you and left you with some strangers for 22 years, now do I? I don't think so. Nancy, this is one time you'd have to prove yourself an actress and win yourself an Oscar. Now, every other information that you might need to make this real, you would have to dig up. But if you do this right, if you get this right, you will be 10 million naira richer. Think about this. Let the games begin. Are you ready?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Give me tears.
Oh, come on. It's not that easy. You have to give me some time.
Are you sure you can do this?
I can do it.
You're sure?
Why did you blow me out there? What happened? I was talking to you.
Can you imagine? That lawyer asked me to tell him about my foster parents and my experiences.
What? What are you saying? What did you say? What did you say to him?
I just pretended to be upset and I started crying and I just walked out.
Is that all?
Frank! Frank!
What?
You need to help me. I really don't know what to do.
Oh! You know what? You remember what I told you about crying, right? About crying. Stay in that act. Just continue crying. Handle it. Right?
It's quite unfortunate. You are in for it, and I promise you are going to dance the music. You're going to dance the music. The music of the law.
Frank, I can't believe you can be this heartless. You want to kill me and take over everything I have?
You know that's not true. She's lying to you. Look, how can I possibly conceive a thing like that?
She never told me anything. I found out myself.
Even better was your performance today. Oh, wow. You were a genius. You were a genius. You were so convincing, you know. Yeah. At a point, you almost got me to tears. I was going to cry with you. Yeah, you were that good. Why? But tell you what, though. Watch her closely and wait for her cancer to cure her, and then if it doesn't, we'll cure her ourselves.
And share the money?
No. I think I'm beginning to have a change of mind, darling. Oh, well, fine, share the money. Yes, we will share the money, but then I also want us to get married and live happily ever after, baby. I'm not letting you off my side.
Sounds good.
Mommy, good morning. I'm sorry to wake you up.
It's okay, good morning, Jude.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Do you need help?
Oh, no, I'm fine.
Mommy, I hope it's okay for me to call you Mommy.
You funny little child. Of course it's okay to call me Mommy. I am a mother,
It's time for you to have your bath. I've made your breakfast and I don't want it to get cold.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, you need to give me some time. By the way, you've not even told me your name yet.
Grace Nega.
Grace Nega.
Yes.
What a coincidence. That is also my daughter's name.
Really?
Yes, and she's about your age.
Wow. I really like to meet her.
She'll be home someday. Her father has got to bring her back.
Really? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's nice. Mommy, you have to get ready soon.
Grace?
Yes, Mom.
Why are you doing house help job? I mean, what about your parents?
I really don't know my real parents. The people I grew up with that I thought were my parents, I realized they're not my parents. I was on the verge of looking for them when this job came up.
Really? And now, these strangers or whatever they are to you, what are their names and where do they stay?
Justina and Donald Francis live in Surulere.
So your names are Grace Nega Francis.
How did you know?
Eh? Oh, I was just guessing. I mean, you said your names are Grace and Nega, and obviously, you know, whatever parents, Mr. and Mrs. Francis, if you just put one and two together, you know.
Okay, Ma, you need to have your bath now.
Okay, I've heard you. Just give me 5 minutes to say my prayers, okay? Alright?
Okay, I'll come back in 5 minutes.
Frank, do I look like a fool to you? I can't believe it, Frank. I cannot believe you're a devil in disguise. You wanted to kill a mother and her daughter and take over my inheritance? God. I can't believe this. And you know, I really cared about you. I would have given you everything, Frank. It's so stupid. God, I can't believe it. Frank, you are the spy, the thief, and the imposter, just like you said. You didn't even bother to ask for my daughter's complexion before you went out and hired this fair-complexioned criminal. Get them out of here!
Get them out! Move! Move him out!
1 minute! One minute, Frank! Before you leave, please take that stupid picture of yours, that picture frame that you left there.
Don't worry.
Plan and everything.
Get out!
And the rest of your clothes, I will send to you in jail or wherever you end up in. Grace. Grace? Come on, Grace.
So you are actually my mother.
Please come to your mom. Baby, she is your mother. Your biological mother.
Mommy!
How did you find me?
Wait. So you knew this place and you never told me about it?
I'm so sorry.
And you allowed your husband to take advantage of me?
It's okay, Grace. No, baby, listen. I took a number from your phone and I called her and invited her to come home. I know you're hurting. She told me everything that happened. It's okay, baby. It's alright.
Everyone has a secret. You've got yours and I've got mine. One time or another, we always have something to hide. Could be from the past, a blast from the past, or in the present, or something recent. As always, we try to hide it from people, yeah. At the appointed time, everything that is hidden is bound to come out. If you don't reveal it yourself, someone is bound to find out. At one point or another, the truth will come out, all the secrets will come out, yeah. It will come out, yeah. It will come. Nothing is hidden under the sun. When the time comes, it will come out, yeah. No matter how hard you try to hide it, when the time comes, it will come out, yeah. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is hidden under the sun. So what is the use trying to hide it when you know it's gonna come out? What is the point keeping all that secret when you know that someone is bound to find out? Well, I guess if you're doing the right thing, then there's no need to keep all that secret. But when there are lies, deceit, betrayal and evil deeds, yeah, then you might want to hide it. You will want to keep all the secret. Someday it will all come out, it will all come out. Somehow it will all come out, yeah, yeah. All the secrets, yeah, will come out. Nothing is hidden under the sun. When the time comes, it will come out, yeah. No matter how hard you try to hide it, when the time comes, it will come out. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nothing is hidden, nothing under the sun. Under the sun, time comes, yeah, it will come out. It will come out. No matter how hard you try to hide it, by the time comes, it will come out. Yeah. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden. Oh, nothing is hidden under the sun.